In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Airtable account. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we've broken it down into simple steps to make it as easy as possible for you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in airtable.com. This will take you to the home page where you can access all the tools and resources that Airtable has to offer. Familiarize yourself with the site if necessary, but our focus here is getting you signed in. Once you've made it to the home page, your next step is to locate the sign in button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, enter your email and password, or use any login method you've previously set up, such as Google or Apple. And just like that, you're logged into Airtable. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to access the Airtable home. This is where you can view all your current projects and workspaces. It's essentially the dashboard of your account. Take a moment to look through your projects if you need to, but what we really want to do is move over to your profile section. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you should see an icon or your profile picture. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the profile option and select it. This will direct you to another page where you can manage your account details. Once you're in the profile section, you'll need to navigate to the account area. On the sidebar or menu, you'll find various options tied to your profile. Click on Account. This is where you'll find the settings related to your account specifics. Now you should be looking at your account settings. One of the options within this page is to delete your account, which is exactly what we are aiming to do next. Look carefully for the option that says Delete your Airtable user account. It's usually towards the bottom to ensure users don't accidentally click it. Once you locate it, click on it. Before moving forward, keep in mind that deleting your account will remove all your data from Airtable. Make sure you've backed up anything important, as this action is irreversible. Confirm your choice to proceed. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your Airtable account is now deleted. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.